All right. Well, first of all, I apologize. There's a lot of noise going on in the building here. They're working up on the roof, but we'll try to get this done.
Yeah, I can hear it.
File 231036 SC. This is Allegan Credit Union versus Stephen Miles. We're here in a small claims case, meaning we're here without attorneys trying to resolve this in front of me, and as opposed to having a jury trial in front of the district court judges. We also cannot have a case more than $6,500, but we seem to be sort of well below that limit. Mr. Miles, this might actually go faster if I start with you first. Do you believe that there is in fact a dollar amount that you owe Allegan Credit Union, and it's more about how and when you can pay that? Or are you contesting that you owe them money?
No, I owe it.
Okay. I have a dollar amount here of $723.49. Does that sound right to you?
That's what it is. Yeah, that's what I've been.
All right. Well, then what I would propose is, instead of us having a contested hearing, I can do this as what's called a consent judgment, meaning the parties were here and in agreement that there is money owed. And then it would essentially be up to the parties for you to be in contact with each other to work out the how and when this gets paid. Okay?
Sure, that'll be fine.
The only other thing I would need to explain to you, Mr. Miles, is that Allegan Credit Union paid certain monies out of pocket to get here today. They had to pay the court a filing fee, and they had to pay to have you served. That was $103.51. They're also able to ask for that back as well. So I just wanted you to know where that extra money comes from by the time you see this judgment. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
All right. Well, then what we can do, like I said, I will type this up as a consent judgment and send it out to parties, but you don't even have to wait for that in the mail. As soon as we're done here, you could get in contact with each other and work on a payment plan or whatever it is. They'll get this judgment satisfied. All right.
Okay, that's not a problem. I can do that.
All right. And I'm going to go ahead and release you, Mr. Miles. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And Ms. Stevens, I have no service on these other two. Is that what you think too?
That is, I tried to get in contact with Mr. Larson on that Brittany Morris case, and I haven't heard back from him. So I'll follow up with him on that one.
Yep, I'll just indicate no service, and then other than that, we're all set, and I'll type up that consent judgment.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.